I'm disturbing like broken bottles through human flesh. I could throw a party to Budapest with British strength. I couldn't sound as bad as half these cunts if I forgot my lines. And I don't hink with my dick, so no bird blows my mind. A world champion time waster, putting my life on lined paper for the sake of my health and swine nature. Fuck selling music, I should charge these cunts a fee for me, allowing them to live in the same world as me. Turn your back to a button, you see I'm fatter than a ton of you, and none of you will ever be the same when I'm done with you. This rapping's got me feeling if I reach for the stars, I could engrave my name on Saturn, Pluto, Venus and Mars. You're not safer in me, you're puny, I look down at you, nearing mutiny. You're best to scoot afore I put my foot in you. Look at you, stunning studently as I tutor you, nothing new to me, so don't get fucking cute with me. I could be 80 proof and sipping on that Satan juice, instead I break loose, running my narrative move. And even if they winna fit, I winna piss on your shoes. It's not about how long it takes, it's what ambition you choose. See, I'm a totally different kettle of fish, I'll be projecting the future. Well, they're preaching that they're better than us, just don't believe the hype. I'll be no evil for life, and all I need is one fight, one night, one mic. Never has there been and never will there ever be another cunt like me. You dumb fucks work for free, rap mercenary, drop a verse and flee. Bet on me, I'm a certain pervert, you see. I'll laugh last, crash, and I'm climbing fast. Time is cash, I'll relax when I'm signing ass, getting washed in a wine bath, laughing at my mindless past as I dine on the finest grass. They'll never see it coming when I change the world. They'll find themselves stunned, looking dazed and puzzled, staring at the script like the pages muddled. They'll never see it coming when I change the world. They'll never see it coming when I change the world. They'll find themselves stunned, looking dazed and puzzled, staring at the script like the pages muddled. They'll never see it coming when I change the world. For optimist to cynicism, for cannabis deny the joy, the depths in my mentality, for analyst to paranoid, the sorcery, immediate truth. Rap at them, nah, hit them with something that'll cripple the heart in them. Start spinning, put the records to use and grab mics, tag signs, and judge a cunt by his life, know the art that he writes. A picture of perfection painted by a pauper, a peasant, a potless pisser, prime, proper and present, perpetrating trespassing on the grounds of insanity. Some suspicions been aroused and knew it's dripping for its cavity. Apparently we've no long left after boom, so I ask you, why'd you care? We're all doomed. Whatever you're selling, I'm no buying. I'm inspiring when I'm no trying. Think that you're special? Stop lying to yourself. Stop admiring yourself, you're blind. If you heard secrets for the sky, you'd go and tell the grunt. But me, I heard the thunder and got struck by lightning. Timing's all there is and it's against me. Feel the pain in every word I'm writing. Missed out on far too much through being stupid. I'm sticking around, I love this music and I won't rest in peace without it. Forget the novelties, they show and sell you. I'll be telling every cunt the truth of it if I ever get on the telly. It's trading news for like some right thick fucks, but I've got ideas so crazy that they might just work. I love to load and load to love, I'll live to die for smoking drugs, and even when I've said it all, I'll feel I haven't spoke enough. Always be a tactician, practicing till it's hard hitting. Cunts lack vision and act different when I start spitting. You can tell me I'm hitting nerves solely, you can tell me I'll never win shit at a ceremony, you can tell me this isn't rap territory, but who you ever met for me that can flow a better gory Glasgow story? And when I change the world, they'll find themselves stunned, looking dazed and puzzled, staring at the script like the pages muddled. They'll never see it coming when I change the world. They'll never see it coming when I change the world. They'll find themselves stunned, looking dazed and puzzled, staring at the script like the pages muddled. They'll never see it coming when I change the world.